ARCHMI-S series is a rugged HMI product line designed for both entry-level and high-end smart manufacturing applications. Offering exceptional versatility, the ARCHMI-S-9D is powered by 12th Gen Intel Core i3 AMP i5 processors, while the ARCHMI-S-8B features the Intel Celeron J6412, and the ARCHMI-S-8C comes with the Intel Alder Lake N. The series ranges from 7 inches to 23.8 inches TFT-LCD models and features a fanless design. With wide-range 9-volt to 36-volt DC power input and fanless thermal engineering, the ARCHMI-S series supports wide temperature operation from -20°C to 60°C. Constructed with an aluminum die-casting chassis, the series offers a slim front frame and a flat front touchscreen, supporting both resistive and projective capacitive with a 10-point multi-touch function. The rugged aluminum die-casting back cover with heat-sink design enhances thermal dissipation and ensures outstanding durability. Its modular design allows easy maintenance with only 2 screws, providing flexible configuration and seamless upgrades while reducing overall maintenance time and cost. For outdoor applications, the ARCHMI-S series features an IP66 rated front bezel for superior dust and water protection, along with a sunlight-readable display option that maximizes screen visibility and operational efficiency. The ARCHMI-S series is ideal for various applications, including smart factory process control, edge AI computing, and outdoor environments such as EV chargers and kiosks. It delivers powerful performance, user-friendly operation, and a cost-efficient design to meet diverse industrial needs.